So this is a product here that I received recently, and it looks pretty. It looks like something to put in your hair, you know. But when I take out one of them, this is what it looked like. It's so pretty looking like this. It doesn't look like something to deal with food and stuff. Anyway, you have to open it out like this, and you can see how big it is. This also reminds me of a shower cap when you open it out like this. Anyway, I've already used one already. Let me show you. And I really like the idea, because instead of having to use the cling wrap, I could just basically easily put this over my food products, because I had this in the fridge without any covering, and I thought it wasn't really a good idea to leave it like that, you know. So this is a good way to kind of cover your food or, you know, vegetables like this. Put it in the fridge, and it's, you know, I don't really have to measure anything. I just have to open it out and cover my whatever I need to cover. So let me just do one quick. I also had this in the fridge too like this. I was just being lazy. Normally I'll cut it up into smaller pieces and put it in the freezer. With this I could just basically put it over like that. And as a matter of fact, you know, thinking about it, I could put it in the freezer like this, you know. Simple. Just like that. I'll just put it back in the regular part of the fridge. Keep it nice and covered. And I also have some lemons. Again, I had it in the fridge just like that. I think I would cover this. I think I'm covering everything now in my fridge. So I can easily cover this up like that. Well, this container has a cover, but of course with these lemons now, it would need the cover because, you know, they are too big. And I'll just put this back in my fridge and I'm good to go. I'm super happy. I'm really liking this. I'm going to find so many other things that I can cover with this, with these plastic covers, you know. Yeah, you should get yourself a pack.